I will bless you. I will make you great. You will be famous. Don't worry. You don't have to take out your bums on Instagram. He will make you great. You don't have to be known as something else that either than God has called you. He will make you great. You don't have to cheat your way through life. He will make you great. You don't have to hop from one place to another. He promises that if you're about him, he will make you great. You don't have to sell yourself short. He will make you great. You don't have to come from a noble family. He will make you great. You don't even have to be educated. If he wants you great, you will become great. He is the maker of greatness. Woo! He is greatness. He is splendor. He is wonder. I will make you great. Don't chase after it. Don't go dig it out. Don't go do 5 steps. It doesn't need to manifest. I'm here. I'm God. He will make you great. 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 I don't know who needs to hear that. He is responsible for the making of your greatness. He is responsible for the blessing. And unfortunately, my generation has been told that greatness comes from followers. Nobody needs to follow you. Follow Christ. Our generation has been told that greatness comes from being known. Woo! Before you were even born, I knew you. My generation has been lied to. We're told that the more money you have is the more you're closer to God. God says, woo, it's even harder for the rich to see the heavens. Don't ever think changing gears is about you. See, generations may change, but the mandate is still the same. That Jesus Christ is the way, the truth, and the life. That you can acquire all things in life. But what does it profit a man to gain the whole world but lose Jesus? Gain the whole world and lose proximity to God. Gain the whole world and his ear no longer hears the mighty God. He will make you great. But more than the greatness, I hope your heart hungers for the nation he speaks about. I hope your heart yearns for this city. That God, this is my birthplace. This is where you've placed me. And you said you will make me great and you will bless me and others will be blessed. Father, give me the opportunity to run for you. Make me a workhorse for the kingdom of God. Majority of our people that we know in past generations spent half their lives working for a man. It's only when you come to God you understand that the opportunities are still to pursue nations.